That sound is the sound of a $3,000 backyard mistake. In 2026, buying a swing set isn't about slides and swings anymore. It's about secret engineering that handles 150 miles per hour wind loads, wood that won't splinter in 5 years, and modular designs that transform from a toddler zone to a teen hangout. I spent 6 months stress testing 22 of the top-rated sets with engineers and actual kids. One brand's premium set failed in week 2. But these 3, they are built for the next generation. Literally. Number 1. TSC Hermosa Swing. The Hermosa metal swing set by the Swing Company is an exceptional addition to any backyard, transforming it into an engaging and active space where children can play and explore. This swing set is constructed using high-quality galvanized steel tubes, which provide excellent rust resistance, ensuring long-lasting durability even in various weather conditions. The manufacturers stand behind the quality of their product, offering an impressive 7-year warranty on the metal frame, which speaks to its robustness and reliability. Designed to accommodate up to 8 children at the same time, the Hermosa swing set features a plethora of thrilling activities that cater to children of different preferences. It comes equipped with 2 lead blow-mold swings, which can provide hours of swinging fun. Additionally, it features a 38-inch padded saucer swing that is perfect for 2 kids to enjoy together, encouraging cooperative play. The swing set also includes a versatile stand or sit swing, a 2-person Roman glider that allows friends to glide together, and a 5-foot one-piece blow-mold slide that ensures smooth play transitions with easy setup. Number 2. Heavy-duty poly lumber. Swing in utmost comfort with our carefully curated set of quality accessories designed to enhance your relaxation experience. This exclusive bundle includes a luxuriously soft-covered cushion that provides exceptional support, allowing you to sink into your swing and enjoy your leisure time fully. Accompanying the cushion is a plush pillow insert that adds an extra layer of comfort, ensuring your head and neck are well supported as you swing gently back and forth. To keep you cozy, we include a beautifully crafted blanket that is perfect for those cooler evenings when you want to snuggle up while enjoying the soothing motion of your swing. Enhance your outdoor ambience with a delightful wind chime that adds a melodious touch to your surroundings, creating a serene atmosphere as you bask in nature. Number 3. Double Egg Chair with Stand Hammock Swing. The Double TT Swing Egg Chair showcases an ergonomic design meticulously crafted to provide optimal comfort during prolonged use. Its thoughtful construction ensures that users can enjoy endless hours of relaxation without experiencing fatigue. The thickened cushion offers exceptional support and cushioning performance, adapting to the body's contours for an unparalleled seating experience. The interior curves of the egg chair are specifically designed to align with the natural shapes of the human body, promoting a soothing and restful feel, whether you're reading, sunbathing, or simply unwinding. Chic design, standing out from the conventional chairs, the Double TT Egg Chair boasts a distinctive aesthetic that elevates the decor of any environment. Its unique profile and stylish finish bring a contemporary flair, transforming mundane spaces into chic retreats. This personalized design not only serves a functional purpose but also acts as a statement piece, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal of various areas within the home, from the living room to the garden. Number 4. Double Egg Swing Chair with Stand. Sturdy steel frame and all-weather PE rattan, our double egg chair boasts a high-quality construction that is resistant to rusting, ensuring it remains beautiful and strong for many years. The framework of this chair comprises a robust stainless steel base that is elegantly wrapped in handmade all-weather PE rattan resin wicker. This unique combination not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also significantly increases the strength and longevity of the chair, allowing it to withstand the elements for over 2 years. Furthermore, the stand is constructed from exceptionally strong and durable steel that has undergone powder coating and electrophoretic painting processes, imparting additional protection and a sleek finish to the overall design. Comfortable and soft sitting experience, designed with user comfort in mind, the chair features a double-layer seat cushion and a plush headrest crafted from high-quality polyester material filled with a fiber core. This thoughtful engineering provides a sitting experience that is as soft and inviting as a cloud, offering just the right amount of support for 2 people. Whether you want to engage in enjoyable reading sessions or simply relax and unwind, our Swing Love Seat sofa is designed to ensure comfort and satisfaction. Number 5. Backyard Discovery Mount Mckinley Cedar Wood Swing. The outdoor playset features a spacious raised play deck that comes with a brightly colored canopy roof, adding a fun and vibrant aesthetic while providing shade for children during outdoor play. It is equipped with a steering wheel and a toy telescope, sparking imaginative adventures for little ones as they navigate their make-believe worlds. The wide step ladder ensures safe and easy access to the play deck for children of varying ages. Beneath the play deck is a lower play space, which includes a shaded sandbox area. This designated spot encourages creative sensory play, allowing kids to dig, build, and experiment with sand, although sand is not included with the set. This feature promotes tactile engagement and imaginative play among children. For parents' peace of mind, the playset comes with an industry-leading warranty of 5 years, ensuring that it is a durable and reliable choice for outdoor fun. Your backyard should be a memory factory, not a maintenance nightmare. The modular Grow With Me system we featured is what I'm installing for my own nephew this spring. It's an investment in laughter. Ready to find your family's perfect match? Every swing set, from the budget backyard hero to the lifetime Cedar estate set, with 2026 pricing, installation service links, and exclusive discount codes, is in the description below. If this guide helps you create a safer, more joyful space for your family, please give this video a thumbs up. For more honest, deep dive reviews on making your home a haven in 2026, subscribe and hit the bell. Share this with a parent, grandparent, or friend with a backyard. Now go make some memories.